Hello, I'm Taylor McCready, and behind me is the Locomotive Reno. Built in 1872 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to do a little bit of cleaning on it. Now with the side rods and exposed metal parts all oiled up and surface rust removed, we're going to focus on cleaning out the firebox. Grab the side right here. As you can see, for some effects, coal and other miscellaneous items were all thrown inside the firebox here. We're going to climb on in there, clean all that out, and also document whatever historical items we may find. Here you can see the rear tube sheet and all, trying to remember how many tubes, I think 122 tubes. All right, let me set this up and let's go to work. There we go, just show this recording, so show the world around.
Well, this is the firebox of the Reno. A little bit of fire cracking right there. What else is going on here? Looks pretty good, actually. I don't know. I don't have a straight edge to look up here. Kind of cleaned it up pretty good, and then we'll take a peek at it. I don't see anything. There's this. Oh, here we go. Here's the side.
Pretty good quality, don't you think?
Oh, it's amazing. Wow. It's got all the bricks all the way down to where the burner was. We'll take out all this coal. Get a little room to work in here. First thing is we just got cleaned up a little bit. And yeah, it does look pretty good, huh? Hey, let's give this to Ed. It's still partially full.
Oh, hey, sure.
Beautiful.
Good old, whatever it is, Captain Morgan.
Good now.
Here we see the crowning of one Thomas H. Gray.
Reno is extruding parts.
As you can see, we cleaned it up. 8 bucket loads of coal and trash. Vacuumed up a little. Looks a lot cleaner. Almost clean enough you can eat off of it. Don't quote me on that. But here we go. Hope you'd like to join us next time.